Welcome to Hilomarket. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to claim your prediction rewards on Hilomarket. First, you can claim rewards from markets you predicted on once they are settled. When you open the market, go to the My Predictions section and claim your reward directly. You can also claim your prediction rewards from the dashboard, where all rewards are consolidated in one place. Access your dashboard. Go to the Predictions section, and you'll see your active predictions that are ready to be claimed. Simply click the Claim button. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.